If you suddenly wake up at night and find it hard to get back to sleep, here are some tips to get a full and restful sleep. 1. Activate melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone that is activated when the day is dark and that allows you to fall asleep. There are different ways to start it. Going to bed and getting up always at the same time, lowering the blinds and closing the curtains so that less light enters the house in the afternoon. 2. Food supplements. You can take food that activate melatonin, such as milk or vegetable almond or rice drinks. And whenever recommended by a doctor, take a long-acting melatonin supplement 2 mg. 3. The mobile, away, and the alarm clock, batteries. The blue light emitted by the mobile or tablet and the continuous transmission of 3G and 4G data alter the segregation of melatonin. And devices with transformers plugged into the current generate an electromagnetic field that alters this sleep hormone. 4. Don't check the time while you sleep. How many times has it happened to you that you got up in the middle of the night, looked at your watch and got nervous when you saw the few hours you had left to sleep? To avoid this, try to leave the alarm clock away from the bed or even place it facing the wall. 5. Avoid tossing and turning in bed. Is there anything that makes us more nervous than tossing and turning in bed? From one place to another, we can spend hours like this. If you take 20 minutes and you can't get back to sleep, get up as you are not relaxed. Go to another room, read the phone book, do relaxation and breathing exercises. 6. Think of happy moments. If you've woken up in the middle of the night, don't be nervous. Visualize a special and happy moment and remember how you felt that day. Also try to mentally travel to places where you would like to be, and that transmits peace and tranquility. 7. Relaxing melodies. A study has shown that music therapy makes us feel that we have rested better. A relaxing melody with sounds of nature can help you fall asleep again if you have woken up in the middle of the night. 8. Hypnogenic gestures. If you wake up, take the advice of Michael Krugman, creator of the sounder sleep method. Sit on the edge of the bed with your back straight. Concentrate on the breath. Put your hands as if you were going to pray and press the fingertips when inhaling. Loosen when you breathe out. And so you will relax again, and sleep like a baby. Please apply these tips and let us know in the comments how they worked for you. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos.